Some company leaders question the need for training for product professionals. Perhaps these leaders haven't gotten the results they wanted from the training they've paid for in the past. What's the return on investment for product management training? There are really two questions here, though. First, what is the value of product management? And then, what is the value of training them? Plus a bonus question. What's the value of training to product managers? So let's start with this question. What's the value of product management itself? And I admit it, I've seen the results of good product management, so I'm inclined to be enthusiastic about product managers. But what if we found ourselves building something that nobody wanted? In that case, what did it matter if we did it on time and on budget? That's what product management is about, ensuring we're not building something nobody wants. Today, here's what happens. We hire a new product manager who is told to work with development, marketing, and sales teams. But almost instantly, there are requests from individual salespeople, marketers, and developers. In no time, the product manager is overwhelmed. You simply cannot support all these people one at a time. What if we could be more systematic? We understand the market. We empower development, marketing, and sales teams with personas and their problems. We create products and promotions that empower individual salespeople and deliver better products to customers, products that they want to buy. One product manager empowers one or more teams with market, product, and subject matter expertise. The work of one is a lever that empowers multiple team members. Yet 79% of organizations report roles in product management are not clearly defined or understood. For many, product management is a design and development role. They write requirements and stories based on requests from others. Too many product managers report they have never spoken to a customer, and they're not even allowed to. As a result, they don't really understand customer feature requests. When they don't know the market or its problems, they find it impossible to prioritize features and capabilities. Product management is actually three things. Product planning, empowering design and development to build what you've planned, to build things right. Product strategy, planning and prioritizing the right products and features that result in value for both customers and your company. Plan the right things. And product growth, empowering sales and marketing teams so you can sell more of what you've built. The key to successful product management is a deep understanding of markets and their problems, coupled with the skills in planning and prioritizing for business value. Of course, product management can't claim product success due to their efforts alone. Products don't succeed because of product management or development or marketing or sales. They succeed due to the efforts of product management and development and marketing and sales. They succeed with alignment among all teams. As they say, success has many parents, failure is an orphan. Ultimately, our goal in product management is to turn good ideas into successful products systematically. For more, read our ebook on how to achieve product success, being systematic about discovering, developing, and delivering products. Now, what's the value of training for product managers? In short, the answer is consistency. Product managers come into a company with wildly varying levels of experience. They've attended different schools, watched different videos, and read different books. Each has learned different tools and methods. And in key skills, many product management teams are falling short. In a survey, product growth leaders found significant gaps between importance and skills in critical areas of fundamentals, business and strategy, technical, and soft skills. Make a list of activities expected of your product team. Identify the gaps between the importance of each activity and your team's performance, then set up a professional development plan to close the gaps. Both employees and employers value skills training because it helps teams do more and do it better. Survey data reveals that process is the company's most significant challenge for managing products in 47% of organizations. It seems most organizations budget for methodology training for development and sales professionals. Unfortunately, fewer do for product and marketing professionals. Consider the impact, though, of alignment of strategy, with a clear definition of roles and responsibilities and a common playbook of standard tools and methods. With a playbook, onboarding gets new product managers up to speed and more productive quickly, and existing employees know what they're supposed to do and how to do it. A common rule is to allocate 3% of an employee's salary for training and professional development. That translates to about $3,600 for an annual training allocation for product managers making $120,000 a year. While it'd be nice to say training results in instant revenue increases or increased customer satisfaction, product is a team effort. That's the most significant challenge for measuring the success of product management. In order to win, you need alignment across the team. Product management finds problems in the market and identifies friction for buyers and users of your product. Development and marketing teams design solutions to those problems, and if they do that correctly, sales teams can sell what you've designed to people who want to buy. With clarity of process among all product teams, business deliverables will be consistent from one product manager to another. Technical deliverables and planning methods will be consistent. No chaos, no confusion. Suppose your team members could reduce their wasted time by 1 hour per week due to a transformation program. Assuming product managers are making $120,000 annually, that translates to 50 hours of additional productivity in a year, an ROI of $3,000 per employee. A program for a team of 10 then generates $30,000 in increased productivity each year. And now imagine your team members can save 2 or more hours due to clarity of process and clear roles. A more critical aspect is the multiplier effect. One product manager working with a team of 7 to 9 developers. One of the most common failure scenarios for development teams is waiting for work from the product manager or product owner. 1 hour of lost productivity per developer on a team of 10 translates to a productivity cost of $30,000 a year. And according to research, salespeople spend 31% of their time searching for or creating sales content. That's 12 hours a week. Consider the impact on the productivity of your salespeople with market-focused product managers and product marketing managers. Clear positioning on the value of products. Clarity on markets and buyers results in reduced time wasted on unqualified buyers. Sales tools that resonate with buyers. And products that people want to buy. If you could reduce the time wasted for each salesperson, how would that impact your top-line revenue? The more critical the metric, the harder it is to quantify. What is the cost of sloppy work or wasted time? What's the cost when salespeople build their own presentations and sales tools? Beyond their time, there's concern about branding and staying on message and professionalism or lack thereof. Surely you've seen sales presentations not created by a marketing team. Some were okay, some were terrible, few were brilliant. And shouldn't your salespeople spend their time selling and not creating marketing materials? And when product management empowers marketing teams with personas and their problems, what a difference. Instead of technobabble and featureitis, great marketing tools speak to the buyer in their voice about their issues, with clear positioning that differentiates from competitive offerings. And here's the big one. What if you're simply building the wrong product? A large financial institution's VP of Product Management said they had spent the last few years adopting Agile and DevOps. He said, "We now know how to build the product right, and we've come to realize that we're building the wrong products." Adopting product management is their newest challenge. One team with $1 million in salaries built the wrong thing. That's $1 million gone. Product management disproportionately impacts the business's success with touch points in every part of the organization. Product managers ensure that we're building something customers want to buy and that internal teams have the information they need to be effective. If we can increase the effectiveness of product management, we increase the effectiveness of those who rely on us. After all, a rising tide lifts all boats. In the end, to succeed, products must solve problems that are vital to the buyer or they won't buy it, valuable to the user or else they won't use it, and viable for your business or you can't continue to offer it profitably. For more, read our book on why traditional training fails, how to improve your product management training results. And nowadays, it's so hard to find qualified people that retaining employees has become critical. One VP shared that she offers training as a key element of her plan to keep the best people. The Wall Street Journal reports that employee turnover costs 50% of the employee's annual salary, and some studies use a figure of up to 150%. A Harris poll reported 41% of employees plan to leave employers who offer no training within the year, versus 12% for those employers who do offer training. And 70% of U.S. employees say they're at least somewhat likely to leave their current company to accept an offer with another company that is known for investing in employee learning and development. So, train them or lose them. Product management benefits a product company with market insights, prioritized problems to solve, and product information that drives marketing and sales programs. Great product management helps product businesses scale. You need clarity of problems to solve, processes to employ, and roles and responsibilities to ensure all teams are focused on customer outcomes. Outcomes that result in increased sales and satisfied customers. Training is the key to turning good product managers into great product managers. Product growth leaders help product teams turn good ideas into successful products systematically. No confusion, no chaos. We can help you achieve product success on purpose, bringing clarity of product strategy, clarity of process, and clarity of roles. And we can help you implement a systematic approach to managing products in your organization.